Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you the top 10 features of Adobe Photoshop 2021 which I honestly like about this update. And this tutorial is gonna be quite long, so let's begin. The first feature, the very first feature I'm going to talk about is the sky replacement feature, and all you have to do is go to edit panel and select sky replacement. By using this option you can change the sky, and there are various sky types here, and you can also import your own skies in it, and this is pretty good. As you can see, there are various sky types. You can apply any one of these, or you can also import from here, and I'll select this one. See, and you can also flip the sky according to the lighting of the photo. This one is okay, and through this color adjustment slider you can match the foreground color with that of the sky. So all you have to do is increase this to 100. See how beautifully it has changed the color and changed the sky. It looks really realistic and perfect. And the best part is, when you hit OK, the Photoshop will give you a manual control over everything and every adjustment you have done to the sky and foreground. See, and there are manual control of curves, lighting. If you want to change anything, you can change from here only. Now comes skin smoothing. All you have to do is go to filter and neural filters. From here, turn the skin smoothing on, and remember, the blur controls the skin texture and smoothness control overall smoothness of the skin. So I don't want the excess skin texture, so I will decrease it, and if you want more smoothness, then increase it. So here is the before after. See how well it works. Now hit OK, and if you want to remove smoothness from certain areas, you can by creating the layer mask. So I will remove it from the nose area. Okay, this is good. Now the next one is smart portrait. All you have to do is go to filters and neural filters again. Smart portrait is in the beta filters, so go to the beta filters and turn the smart portrait on, and from here you can control the face expressions. So I will increase the happiness here and make her look less surprised and less angry. It will take a little bit of time to apply, and you can also control facial age from here, gaze. I'm not touching these two, so I'm coming directly on hair thickness. I will increase little bit of it. You can also change the head direction left to right. You can also change the light direction. I show you the before and after look. Here you go. See how beautifully it has changed the expressions and the hair thickness, hair direction and light direction. Now comes a quick action. Photoshop has added some quick actions for beginners. So all you have to do is go to the help, select Photoshop help. Select quick action and you will have these 4 options here. First one is remove background. Just click on it and select apply and see, and just take a look how perfectly it has removed the background. You can also revert from here. You can also select and mask, refine the edge from here. So I will revert it. Now next one is blur background. Just apply and it will automatically blur the entire background from here. And if you want to increase the blur opacity, you can from here, selecting the Gaussian blur options, you can increase or decrease the blur opacity. Now next one is make. So I have taken the picture which is not supported for this feature. So the last one is enhance image. From here you can enhance the image like this. Just click on the apply and I think this is very good feature for beginners. Now the next one is discover panel of Photoshop help. Suppose you are looking for a desaturate, then so this you have to do, all you have to do is go to help and then Photoshop help and type a desaturate. You have a saturation adjustment layer showing up. Let's say I want to use this, so it will tell you you have to go to image adjustment and then desaturate. It will point it right over there. It's that helpful. And if you are feeling a little lazy, you can also directly click here. See, and the help panel also has some hands-on tutorial. There are several tutorials here. So let's say I wanna remove the background color in a photo. So just click this one and start the tutorial. Now the Photoshop will guide you through the software as to how to achieve this and one by one guide you with everything. As you can see, Now the next one is preset search. Photoshop now has the ability to search presets inside the panels. So let's say you have patterns panel open, so go to the window and select pattern, and you can easily search that. It is searchable. So I can search for tree, so the trees are showing up here. You can search for anything in this, and it works with any preset panel. And we go to the swatches, and it is also searchable, and it is that helpful. Now the next one is select subject and select and marks workspace. So it has massively improved in this at updated version of 2021, and all you have to do is click on the select and mask. Now click on the select subject here. See, in just one click how beautifully it has to refine the edges of hair and body. So it is massively improved, I must say. See, you can also add or subtract the area by using the layer mask. So I'll show you this one. By using this, you can add or subtract the area you don't want, or you want to add in that. See, so it has. Now next comes our depth aware haze. So all you have to do is go to the filters and neural filters again. Now go to the beta filters and turn the on depth aware haze. It adds haze based on the depth in the image. So let's increase the haze, and you also make it warmer or cooler. It basically it adds little bit of fog in the image. Take a look how perfectly it adds the haze in the image. You can also make it look warmer and cooler. If you want to make it cooler, you can by increasing the warmth of the image. See, so I think it's pretty good. Now next comes our makeup transfer. All you have to do is go to the filter and the neural filters again. This option is in the beta filter, and basically this option will try to apply other photos makeup to the selected photo. So go to the beta filters and turn on the makeup transfer. Now from here you have to select the image from where you want to apply the makeup. Okay, I have chosen the wrong one. so it will automatically apply hers makeup into hers face. It will take little bit of time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So let's see. It works a little bit. I think it's a pretty good option. So the last but not the least, quick access to content aware fill. So let's say I want to remove this. So all you got to do is to make a selection of the area and right click on it and select content aware fill. It's fast, isn't it? So this is it. I hope you all guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such Photoshop tutorials, and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description, and I will see you all next week, and thanks for watching.